leaders of the Senate, and Your Excellency, with your permission, I want to recognize the senators from my state. Senator Ibrahim Khalid, Senator Lawal Adamu, and Senator Sunday Marshall Khatum. I also want Your Excellency to also permit me to recognize my teacher, who is also a senator here, Senator Dr. Yahya Abdullahi, maybe in absentia. Thank you, sir. He's been my lecturer and my mentor, sir. Distinguished senators, I want to start by thanking the Almighty Allah for His blessings and His mercies. I stand here honored before this hallowed chamber, the custodian of our federalism, the custodian of our federalism, because this is the chamber where all the states in Nigeria are represented equally. So this is the chamber that represents and protect our federalism. So I feel very honored to be in this chamber today to put in my brief summary. I'm also deeply grateful to His Excellency the President of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for finding me worthy of being recommended to this Senate to be appointed as a minister. It is a great honor, and I'll remain grateful to him. I also want to express my gratitude to all those that have come here to witness this occasion, which I think is historic as far as I'm concerned, your Senate President. I will start by trying to bring my brief summary. I was born on the 5th of February, 1958 in Kachia, Kaduna State. And I started my education at Kobam Kwemena Primary School, known as the Town School Number 1 in Zaria, 1964 to 1970. And from there, I proceeded to Prayer College from 1971 to 1975, where I wrote my WAEC. And I attended Kaduna College of Advanced Studies, Kaduna College of Arts, Science, and Technology from 1976 to 1978, where I wrote my IJMB, which is Interim Joint Matriculation Certificate. Then I also did GCE A-level in November 1977. I also attended Ahmad Bello University, Zaria, from 1978 to 1981, where I obtained Bachelor's of Political Science. While in ABU, Mr. President, I was also a student unionism, and I was the Speaker of the Students' House of Representatives. That is from 1981 to 1981. I also did my master's degree in ABU in 1986 to 1987. Mr. President, I want to continue by trying to, throughout my career, I've sought opportunities to enhance my skills and broaden my understanding of governance, management, and environmental stability. I participated in various professional courses in development, including GMC in ASCON, and also I attended management training course at Thames College in United Kingdom. I have also pursued specialist courses in privatization, infrastructure at the Center for Privatization and Engineering in US. And my commitment to continue learning has led me to executive courses at renowned institutions such as Cranfield University in United Kingdom, Harvard University, John F. Kennedy School of Government, and Seoul School in York. My professional career started with my work in CAS. I started working in College of Advanced Studies as a lecturer in political science. And I started from assistant lecturer to lecturer 1, and I left cast in 1989, where I joined the Administrative College of Nigeria, ASCON, and there I was appointed as a facilitator in the Public Administration Department as Principal Management Development Officer. And I was in ASCON for a period of 3 years, and while there, I participated actively in the management courses of ASCON. In fact, I was one of those that participated actively in the in civil service reform of 1988 and 1989. Then from ASCON, I joined the National Electoral Authority, NEPA, that from 1992 to 1997. While in NEPA, I was appointed as the principal manager in charge of administration, and I served there for a period of about 8 years. Then from NEPA, I was appointed as special assistant to the Minister of Education in 1999, September 1999. And I was participated actively in the formulation, the policy of UBEC, that is Universal Basic Education. And I was secretary of the committee that was responsible for launching UBEC in 1999 in Sokoto. And in education, I also participated in various committees in the area of senior education and higher education from 1981 to 1999 to 2001. And 2001, I moved from education to the Ministry of Defense, where I was the special assistant to the Minister of Defense in charge of the Army. In that ministry, I have worked in the area of UNAMSL in operation and things like that. So I worked there for a period of 2.5 years before the end of that administration. And from there, I moved to the Ministry of FCT, where I served as the Chief of Staff to the Minister from 2003 to 2007. And throughout my career, I have sought opportunities to enhance my skills, broaden my understanding of governance, management, and environmental stability. I have participated in various professional development programs, including the general management courses, and also I have worked greatly in areas of visibility and in areas of environmental protection. I stand here before you, humbled by the depth and the breadth of experience I have gained through my career. I firmly believe that if given the opportunity to be appointed a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I am going to bring all these experiences to bear in my duties. Your Excellency. So, the possibility that I may likely be appointed to the Ministry of Environment, I want to categorically state that I will bring all my experience and firm belief to the Ministry of Environment. And I will play the vital role in shaping the future of our great nation, Nigeria, which stands at a crucial stage in the area of environmental sustainability. And I am committed to leading the change in addressing these challenges of environmental issues. My vision for the ministry rests on 3 fundamental pillars: conservation, resilience, and collaboration. We must prioritize protection and preservation of our previous natural resources, strengthen our environmental regulation, and foster a sense of stewardship among our communities. Building resilience in climate change is paramount, and we will all develop robust adaptation and mitigation strategies to promote renewable energy in our country. And to integrate climate resilience in all sectors, collaboration will be the cornerstone of our efforts, as well as bringing together government, private sector, entities, civil societies, and international partners to work with us. Because environment is very key to our development. Environment is key in the sense that we all live within environment. So with this, Mr. President and distinguished senators, I want to clearly say that in doing this, I am going to work closely with the National Assembly. I am a believer in democracy, and I believe that the executive can't function well without the legislature. The legislature is the basis and the strength of our government. So whatever I will do, and wherever I find myself, I am going to
Mr. President, very distinguished.
I did at the federal level and what I'm doing now at the state level. So I want to bring this experience to bear wherever I find myself in the new cabinet of the president. And I want to express my gratitude to all of you for listening, and I also want to extend my sincere thanks to the President of the Senate for allowing me to stand here before this august gathering. This is a house of splendor, a house of integrity, a house of democracy, and I feel highly honored because to me this is the highest point of my career, to stand before this hall and say things about myself. I feel very, very happy. Today is maybe my happiest day, being here and being addressing this chamber. I want to end here by saying that environment, which I think I may be going there, is a very important issue, and we know that we have been going through a lot of issues to do with the environment. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Kaduna State. Mr. President, I want to thank you for this privilege to stand and speak on behalf of our nominee. First, to thank Mr. President for nominating him, and to quickly state that the three senators from Kaduna have no objection to his nomination. Also, to state quickly that he was also born in my senatorial district. He attended the same A levels like me, where he also became a lecturer when I jackpot to the same year I jackpot to University of Lagos to commence my studies as a lawyer. He's a seasoned administrator from his resume as presented. He's also somebody who has understudied the
Mr. Wait.
Can you say water? Give me water. Water and sugar. Water and sugar. Get sugar, and water.